Hey viewer, it's the round rectangular shape we have taken for half of the image. So then make further selection. So we will have the design as well. Then the further design as well. Here we will make more selections and creations there. So let's generate the further one. We will have that. So let's keep on editing.